DemButlers, we're back again. Cass and Sid, and this is a Optavia Essential Optimal Kit with the fabulous habits of health system included. So it just arrived, truly, like 5 minutes ago, and we're getting ready to do the unveiling.
All right, here we go.
Because one thing everybody's always concerned about is the food. What's in the food?
Or if you're if you're doing a meal plan, your food is important.
It is. It is. But, and I understand. If you're giving up a lot of stuff, you want to know that you're getting things.
We'll go forward.
So, here we go. One thing that's in it, the Living a Longer, Healthier Life book. That's important.
It's Dr. A.
And then Dr. A, he is the founder of not only Medifast, but also Optavia. So, this is also his book. So, Dr. A's Habits of Health.
There you go. A shaker.
So that's for your shakes on the go. And
now we're digging into the food.
Yeah, so anyway, these are called Fuelings. You eat 5 of these a day. And every 2 to 3 hours. And that's what I'm taking out right now. So this is the honey mustard and onion sticks, which we had the other day, or I had.
Yes. And
they taste pretty good. They really do. Those taste good. I like that. It's a hard crunch, like a, I don't know, any kind of stick. You can think of.
Yeah, I mean, we'll talk about the different foods and stuff and what we like later on. This is to show you the contents of the box.
Zesty cheddar and Italian herb crunchers. Dark chocolate covered cherry shake. So obviously goes in your mixer there. Honey mustard onion sticks. Red berry crunchios, so breakfast. Or a traditional time of eating breakfast. Optavia's creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. Same thing, 2 of those.
Oops.
And it's supposed to be enough for one person to eat for 30 straight days. And then they will automatically send you your next one about a week before. And they send you an email. You can then go in and change anything after you ate that you didn't like. Rustic tomato herb penne pasta. Or penne. Roasted garlic creamy smashed potatoes. Wild strawberry shake, silky peanut butter chocolate chip crisp bar, raisin oat cinnamon crisp bar, a cranberry honey nut granola bar, a caramel delight crisp, chocolate mint cookie crisp bar, the decadent double chocolate brownie, the chewy chocolate chip cookie, the Optavia buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit. Then you have some golden chocolate chip pancakes, a drizzled chocolate fudge crisp bar, home-style chicken flavored and vegetable chicken noodle soup. Do not ask me why I've been looking forward to this. I have no idea.
That contains box.
And another ending up creamy chocolate shake. And then your journal.
Your journal.
That's for on the go, and you're going to take your notes
on what you eat.
On what you eat, so you can be accountable. So again, this is 30 days worth of food for one person.
Oh, detail. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Each one of these boxes contains 5 servings.
Yeah, that's right.
5 servings of the content.
So it's not one thing.
Yeah, it ain't just one thing. What's that? Where if you're eating 5 of these a day, and you see all of this will get you to the end of the month.
End of the month, exactly. So, like he said, and they do also have lean and green meals. We are personally cooking our lean and green meals.
That's correct.
These are your 5 meals or your fuelings a day, and then you still do your lean and green.
Right. And like I said, the books is to give you some background to the how and why.
Mm-hmm.
And coaches,
Ourselves,
take advantage of people who are doing it. If y'all want to lay back in the cut, see how it works here. If we melt some of this stuff, then by all means do that. But then come back to us and go, hey, we saw y'all do it.
Exactly.
Now we want to do it.
We've been journaling it for a reason. 1, to hold our own selves accountable. And 2, to show people, everybody who personally knows us, we're going to give you the real and the deal. We don't sugarcoat it. If we don't like it, if it's not something we're going to do, we've been able to do it. And you know how we cook and how we eat.
That's right.
You know how we cook and how we eat. And we are going to be honest. We've been doing it and not starving. You actually almost forget that it's time to eat. Thank God for timers
Yeah,
on cell phones, really.
Your timer's
Because every
different,
2 to 3 hours, you're eating one of these. And you can eat any one. If you personally like the wild strawberry shake, like Sedrick said, you can eat 5 of these, drink 5 of these a day as well. Or however you want to do it. Just as long as you have 5.
5 of the Fuelings, and then
Yes.
you get into your meal, your big meal for the day.
Your big meal for the day. And you can have it for breakfast, lunch, and or dinner, but you can't have all 3. Your lean and green has to replace one of those meals.
Right. So,
That's it.
But anyway, we'll get deeper into that later. And,
This one's to show you the unveiling of the box. To show you that there's plenty of food. So far, we've enjoyed the taste of it.
Yeah, for 30 days.
This is it.
This replaces your groceries. This is all you're going to be eating for 30 days.
5 times. They're called Fuelings.
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 That's it.
So keep watching us. Like, share, comment, follow.
And with that, we out.